Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick little update video on the car. I have a junkyard transmission in the car right now. I have my older trans out. I'm going to keep it because I have some bronze bushings to put in, and it'll be kind of like a rebuild type video. I've never touched a manual transmission inside with the gears and stuff, so it'll be kind of interesting and learning experience. New on the car for modifications is a set of new AWR bushings, which are installed into my Goodwin Racing mounts. So this little upgrade was cheaper because I didn't have to buy physically new mounts. And the reason why I changed these bushings, one, they're stiffer durometer, but two, I did them earlier than expected is because this side melted once again on the passenger side with the header. So AWR hooked me up with some bushings, and I'll leave my discount code in the description below so you guys can get a couple percentage off on buying any AWR products. So with the new motor mount, new junkyard transmission in, one of the other modifications I've done is converted to E85. The reason why I didn't film the conversion is because it was very easy. At least on this car, it was very easy. Swapped out the injectors for Bosch EV14s, which equates to about a 550cc injector. I bought those from Fab9. Fab9 already tunes my car, Brian at Fab9. Very easy for him to send me a new tune, and I'm on E85 now. We've done a little bit of data logs and revisions to that tune, so it's pretty dialed in right now. So other than the E85, I don't really have any modifications planned for the car, just fixing the old transmission and getting that set up. But other than that, nothing else planned. I do have a track day coming up in next weekend, which is gonna be Auto Club Speedway. I've never ran that configuration, which is infield plus the Roval section. If you guys aren't familiar with Auto Club Speedway, that is a NASCAR track. So they let cars for track day events go on the infield plus the Roval section, just a bank of the Roval section, not the entire section. But here is the cliche part of my video. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has supported me and watched my YouTube channel, my videos, and has subscribed to me, because I did just hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys really a lot. I appreciate it. I love answering all the questions on my car. Please continue to keep asking me them and I will answer them. That's about it. So I will catch you guys in the next video, which will be at Auto Club Speedway. Thanks for watching.